Hello everyone. In this topic, we are going to cover the basics of Agile. What is meant by Agile, what is meant by Scrum, Scrum Master, and the different terminologies, manifesto, values, attributes of Agile. So let's dive into what is Agile. So now Agile is an iterative and incremental approach to project management and software development that helps teams deliver value to their customers faster and with fewer headaches. So what it means in a simple language that Agile is a way to run the project. So whenever we get a project, it's a process to complete the project on time. So Agile is the way which runs on an iterative and incremental approach. Then this subpart of the Agile is called Scrum. Now what is meant by Scrum? Scrum is actually framework which is used to develop the software functionality in stipulated time frame. In simple words, to deliver a project, we need requirements, development, testing, and deployment. And for this purpose, Scrum is used, and this whole process is led by Scrum Master and Scrum team members. And Scrum Master tracks the progress of the project. This is what he does. Now, when we are working on the Agile methodology, there are Agile manifesto. There are 4 values and 12 principles. Based on that, the whole Agile methodology works. And the first attribute is working software over comprehension document, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, individual and interaction over processes and tools, welcoming the changes at any point in time. So these are the 4 manifesto given by the Agile methodology. Now let's see some merits and demerits or advantages and disadvantages of Agile methodology. So now talking about the merits, customer, developers, testers, and business analysts are interacting consistently, hence more clarity in every aspect is followed. Every day stand-up meeting and Scrum calls, less paperwork. So that's why Agile makes more sustainable and more favorite in IT industry. Now let's see the demerits or the disadvantages of Agile methodology. For large project, it is difficult to predict the estimation. Design and documentation are not followed thoroughly. QA does not occur fully due to lack of documentation. Too consistently changes in requirements when software is almost ready. So these are the disadvantages of Agile methodology. Now let's see the roles, artifacts, and ceremonies in Agile. So now when we say about Agile, there are different roles, artifacts, and ceremonies in Agile. For example, the roles. Now whenever we're working on any project, we need different roles. In Agile, there are 3 roles: product owner, Scrum Master, and team members. And the artifacts of the Agile methodology is a product backlog, sprint backlog, and a burn down charts. Now, regarding these artifacts, we are going to create a separate video for this. And the third is ceremonies. Ceremonies or events. From the name itself, it is clear that what it means. Whenever there is an event or ceremony, different people gather together, isn't it? So in the same way, they have 4 different ceremonies: sprint planning, sprint reviews, sprint retrospective, and daily Scrum meetings. Now let's see what is the role of product owner. Now product owner works as a point of contact between client and team. He maintains the product backlog and based on priorities decide which user stories to take in upcoming sprint. Participating in all stand-up meetings, Scrum calls, sprint planning, client meeting, and internal reporting. Although in stand-up meeting or the sprint planning or client meeting or internal reporting, he is expected, but it is not mandatory. Anticipating clients' forthcoming needs. So he need to identify that what client might say for the next sprint or the upcoming requirement, he should be able to anticipate. Define a stronger, better vision or roadmap for the product. Now let's see the role of Scrum Master. Carrying out a daily stand-up meeting and Scrum calls, coaching the team and encourage them to achieve the desired task, regularly interacting with every individual to ensure expected build is delivered, understanding the client requirements properly if the Scrum Master is also working as a business analyst, tracking the sprint or the project progress on a daily basis, keep all parties on track and informed about the project. It's all about the basics of Agile methodology. In the upcoming video, we are going to see what is Agile Scrum. Till that time, stay tuned. Thank you.